What's going on, guys? It's Dennis back again. It's your boy Precise Thoughts. Coming back again with an NBA Top Shot video. Recap from yesterday. Let's go over it. We talked about the cars that I had purchased on a pack drop day, which were inflated prices. I had the Bradley Beal circulated card again. Recap over that. The CC means it's in circulation, and also that there's a possibility for this particular series to be reminted in the future. So these moments may actually be placed back on the market with a new amount. I purchased this when it was at 34,432, and there were 35,000 cards. And that plus sign means that just to indicate that they may remint it. So there may be more of this particular moment in circulation at a later date. I paid $22 for this card, and yesterday, when I evaluated when I analyzed it, was at $13. Tristan Thompson limited edition dunk card, 9,183 out of 12,000. It's limited edition. Paid $25 on that. Was a big inflated price, but it ended up being yesterday $15 again. So when these were purchased, it was about 2 to 3 weeks ago when they had the it was like a $229 pack drop, I believe was the price. And so a lot of people were buying moments, so that's why the value went up so high. So then the other card I have is Demar Derozan, a limited edition dunk card. It was 13,072 out of 15,000. It is limited edition, and what that means is once these particular moments are purchased, the NBA Top Shot will not offer these particular moments. There will all be, each one out of the complete series will be an individual NFT that's owned by a person that can then be a vendor for that particular NFT, set their price to negotiate for sale, etc. Right? So NBA Top Shot won't be providing these particular limited edition cards in the future. Once they are sold, a person can either collect them or make them available for purchase. I don't know if trading is going to be a thing. They currently don't have like a trading format. It's just like a buying and selling marketplace. So let's go to today's update, guys. Today's update, March 25th. The Bradley Beal card, same one, right? Paid $22, and today's value is up. It is back up to $15. So we headed in the right direction. That is good. That is good. We are a little bit less in the red. Second card, Tristan Thompson, paid $25, and today's value is all the way back up to $20. So we were at 15 yesterday, and we're at 20 now. So the Demar Derozan, we paid 34, and today is back up to 24. Yesterday was 21. So $3, $5 on the Tristan, so that's $8, and then $2, so $10. We made a whole swing back up, $10. So we're less in the red than we were before. So that is the thing about online whether you're talking about stock, cryptocurrency, NFTs, these things move with the value of what it's based on. It's based on Ethereum. It's also based on the lowest ask price, right? So considering if LE moments were purchased, the lowest ask could then shoot up because everyone wants to make money back, and NBA Top Shot is not able to control the price, the baseline price, because we're now vendors that control our own price. So if you've been thinking about jumping into it, I'm giving you some real, evidence of, I'm going to do some videos that actually show you my account as well. So that'll be a good thing to do. I do want to get into showing my account. But there was something I said yesterday that I want to clear up. And I keep on saying NBA Top Shot is an established trading company, but I was confused about a different company. It's like Tops and other cards companies like that. NBA Top Shot is actually owned by Dapper, and Dapper, is the company that sat down with NBA to get these licensed. It is a fairly newer company, and they just do the online virtual moments that they present for the NFTs. So the blockchain is utilized through Ethereum, and I'll do another video on the more of the specifics behind how the crypto works with the NFTs as well. Let me get into a couple things that I do like about Top Shot. I like the platform because it has a built-in marketplace, and it seems to be quite a bit of people that are active on that marketplace. I do think the transference of physical trading cards to the virtual moments that are provided on NBA Top Shot, I think it's a direct, fan transference. Like, you can just see that the marketplace is jumping. I mean, the thing's moving by the second, and it's not always sales. Of course, it's the Ethereum going up and down and things like that, but there's transactions being made. There's a lot of sales that are, and you can look at them and you can track, individual NFTs and see purchases, and you can see a lot of people that place their things on the marketplace. Actually, most of the market listings are higher than the lowest ask from NBA Top Shot. These are moments that are owned by people, and they place them on the market because they want to make a profit. So I like that they give you the ability to do that. It's fair game. There's nothing unfair about selling something for more than you bought it. So, if you think that, people trying to scam or whatever, get that out of your head. This is all about business, making money, whether you want to be an investor or collector. You can just do it just for the collecting aspect of it, but there is some value in this. This will retain some value. And remember, we're in the beta stages as well. So another thing I like about that, other than the marketplace, is it's user friendly. It's extremely user friendly. It was very simple. It does kind of hold your hand through the process of signing up and all the steps that it takes to gain points. They have challenges, little fun things you can do, like connect your social media, share, your purchases, things like that. You get points, and then you become, you start off as a beginner, then you're like a rookie, then you become a baller and all this and that, different levels. So that's pretty fun. Kind of keeps you engaged as well. Another thing that I like about it is you could do it on your phone. There's not an app yet, but it's pretty well optimized for mobile. I go right on my phone and I check my Top Shot. No issues I've had. Or you can do it right on your computer. It's a very simple website. 3 or 4 pages of what exactly you need to be able to access. You go around the website 1 or 2 times, you pretty much got it in the bag. So I like the user friendly aspect of it, and that also like that it's licensed by the NBA. So it is an official site that's licensed. Kind of obvious that they would want to do that, but it goes without saying. But let's get into some of the things I do not like about NBA Top Shot. I do not like the psychology of the purchases at some points, right? They have a limited, they kind of use a time in a scarcity tactic for you. This is actually one of them when they tell you like which unique ID you're purchasing. It's actually the reason for me purchasing this CC edition of this Bradley Beal here, because it was 34,000, out of 35,000. So less than 600 were remaining. So it kind of urged me to get this, not even realizing CC meant that it's in circulation. So this particular moment may be reminted, in the future. So there'll be well more than 35,000 possibly, unless they make this a limited edition. What else? So yeah, the scarcity. Also the time limit on a lot of the purchases. Sometimes when you make a transaction, they will block you from other purchases or sales or attempting to enter pack drops and things like that. That can just be a little bit. I get that it's done to prevent sniping and people with a lot of resources from monopolizing a lot of cards. So I do get that. It's just a little annoying, but I know that it's for the better, and I know that we're still in beta, so we'll probably get a lot better, optimization of the website and the flow of things once they get a grip on how the market is actually working to make improvements and things like that. Another gripe that I have about NBA Top Shot would be, let's see, we talked about the marketplace or the scare. Oh yeah, they suspend the marketplace quite frequently. I don't like when they do that. Of course, nobody does, but like I said, we're in beta, so there's gonna be some updates. There's gonna be, some time where they have to stop and slow things down. A lot of times I'm not sure, like on the day of a pack drop, some of this stuff may be strategic to make sure that they ensure people can get their moments and things like that. I do kind of think that that's kind of, hey, if they're halting the market and people need to get in, be eligible, it kind of hypes up the expectations, kind of makes you anxious, kind of makes you want to purchase. So I think they do kind of use that time, tactic when they use some of the market suspensions, right? When they stop and they do the updates. So yeah, that was just my update for today, guys. Um, if you are getting into the NFTs, I did want to give some proof that these things do turn around. And I'll also be doing a video that shows my actual page as well. And I'll be doing some videos about exactly what NFTs are and how they correlate to cryptocurrency and things like that in the near future. So y'all, you guys have a good day, and I hope the market stays green and we end on a green day today, guys.